Andhra Pradesh Realtors Association అనేది this is the association of practicing brokers అండి. ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ రియల్టర్స్ అసోసియేషన్ దాదాపు 3 సంవత్సరాల కిందట మేము ఫామ్ చేశాము. ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ రియల్టర్స్ అసోసియేషన్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ ఫార్మ్డ్ అబౌట్ 3 years back, and we have grown by leaps and bounds in the last 3 years. We started the organization with 9 members who are the founder members of this organization. In these 3 years, we have grown to the level of 69 members are the members of APRA. Today we are the hosts for the 3rd NAR India convention, and we have decided to take this 3rd NAR India convention to a different platform altogether, and started working on this over the last 8 months. And today you can see about 1,000 brokers assembling here from all over the country, and also about 25 brokers coming from different countries. There are brokers coming from United States of America, brokers coming in from Europe, brokers coming in from Russia. So they are all assembled here to discuss the issues related to the broker, number 1. Number 2, to network with the brokers of the other states and other countries. And number 3, to go through a lot of education programs. And number 4, to listen to the industry specialists through various speeches scheduled throughout the day. Apart from this, for the first time in India, Expo has been made as a part of this convention. We are showcasing the products of the builders, of 40 builders in the Expo, and there is a tremendous response even for the Expo. The advantage of this is, today, as you all know, the property prices in Hyderabad are at the lowest because of the local political problems, and also because of the oversupply due to the slump in the market in the last 2 years. So the opportunity that is provided to the builder of Hyderabad today is that his product is showcased to the brokers from all over the country. And if a Bombay broker is convinced that the Hyderabad product is good, and he will be able to sell this product to their investors, and our local builder is getting benefited, and local broker is getting benefited out of that. The best apartment in the best locality. See, the best residential locality, as you all know, in Hyderabad is Banjara Hills or Jubilee Hills. If you choose the best apartment, the price of the best apartment is probably 8,000 to 10,000 rupees per square foot. If you look at the price of an equivalent best apartment in best locality in the southern cities like Bangalore and Chennai, the price is ranging from 20,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees. So today the property prices in Hyderabad is almost at the 50% level of the property prices in the other cities. And so the best opportunity for the Hyderabad builder to showcase his products to the brokers of the other cities and try and sell his products. My future, today I am elected as the president of NAR India. My future plan is to grow NAR India from the current situation of 19 cities as members to minimum 25 cities as members, number 1. To increase the member strength of each of these city association. Number 3, to provide education. We have been providing the education, but increase the number of modules of education that we can give to these brokers all across the country.